In this video, we'll show you how to add cameras to the panel. First, we go to the General Settings page on the panel. Then, we open the Cams page. Here, let's enter the name, URL, and external URL for the camera. After setting its visibility, order, and icon, let's save it. Let's add another one. This is how we add our cameras. The URL we enter for the camera is the one you watch on your local network. The external URL allows you to view the cameras from outside your local network. Here we have Change Camera IP and Port. This allows us to change the IP and port of devices with the same IP or port. Here I click on the relevant device. Then I want it to apply to all devices. I say change 8554 to 8551. And when I hit OK, both sides change to 8551. This makes it easier when there are 30, 40 devices, and we want to change their IPs or ports. For example, I want to assign a door opening function to this camera. What do I need to do for this? Let's say I want to add the door opening function to camera 1. I click on the relevant camera and enter device 1. In device 1, I can either call another function or create a new one. Let me create a new device. Let's name it Door Open. I choose Input/Output as the type and select Output 1 for the addresses. I select an icon and then save it. This way, I ensure that the door opening icon appears in the camera's device section. After this, all I need to do is go to the device map, select the relevant device, and choose Send DB. This way, the changes made will be added to the device. Hello, in this video we'll talk about doorbells. First, to access the doorbell page, we right-click on the relevant server and go to the General Settings page. Then, we open the doorbell page. Using the Doorbell Panel Configurator, we can make the doorbell ring when there's interaction via KNX, EIO, or input-output connections to the touch panel. Additionally, we can add a door opening function here to open the door when the bell rings. Let's create a doorbell configuration. Let's choose Input-Output. Here I input the number of times I want the bell to ring and select the desired bell sound. If a camera is connected to the panel by selecting Is/Has Camera and entering the RTSP URL, we can display the camera's image on the panel when the doorbell rings. I'll save this. Now I'll add door module actions here. For this, I click New, select Virtual Device, and press the OK button. Let's name it Door Open. Let's set it to Open with Input/Output. Let's set the order number to 1 and the function to On. Let it connect to Output 2, so when a value is received on Input 1, clicking the Door Open button will open Output 2, effectively opening the door. I'll save this as well. To upload this configuration to the panel, you just need to go to the device map, select the relevant panel, and click Send DB. For more of our training videos, follow the playlist and please subscribe.